All right. Speaking of I, let's get into AI. Ooh, what a transition. Um, so you have recently generated images with AI, and I mean this is a really exciting thing that's happening in the AI world right now. We have in 2022 there was an explosion in the number of models that could generate compelling graphics from a natural language prompt.
Yeah.
So Dolly 2 in 2022 was able to create, in a lot of circumstances, stunning high res images of whatever you want. We had Imagine Video from Google. It creates not as good as the static images, but it creates videos um, based on some prompt that you put in. And one of Sadie St. Lawrence and I, in the first episode of this year, episode number 641 about data science trends for 2023, one of our main predictions is that video will get better
Hmm.
in 2023. But anyway, regardless, we were having this explosion of models that can create visuals. And yes, you recently have been using them. So, yeah, you made a post on LinkedIn. You want to tell us about that? How'd it go?
Yeah, absolutely. So I use a tool called Canva for most of my visuals, for my LinkedIn posts, for my YouTube, for my backgrounds, for whatever I need to do. It's such a brilliant tool. And when I heard that they have this text to image feature, I had to check it out. So I went in there. It was just a click of a button to get this app in there. And basically, you type in anything you want. You can type in text like elephant playing the guitar with headphones on, right? I know take a few seconds, but then it'll give you 4 images of an elephant playing the guitar, and it's pretty amazing. Now, the post I made
Are
was
you calling me fat? Is that
no, no.
you're so
I actually no.
you just have to you
I
she's
like
looking at
elephants.
me.
I like
I've got
elephants.
a guitar in the background and
Hold
headphones
on,
on,
look,
and she's like, "Imagine a really
elephants.
fat, bald podcast host with a guitar and headphones on."
That's exactly what happened. Holding a white pen. Hold on.
Nah, that's okay. I forgive you.
Oh my god. So anyways, it's so good at creating images. You can even like it can create photographs. You could tell it what sort of art style you wanted to use, like Van Gogh or abstract or whatever. So I recently used it to play around with creating images of a female runner in various circumstances. So I've got a female runner going through space, through a forest, through a high-rise building area, and I kept trying to get it to be even more creative, like make this brighter. And it was just so amazing that the types of images it came up with. So I made a post. I think I uploaded like 12 or 15 different images, and the plan for those images was to find one that I can use as the cover for a new book that I'm working on.